In my native home of Canada, 1 in 9 women is expected to develop breast cancer during her lifetime, and 1 in 28 will die of it. These women are our mothers and our sisters, our grandmothers, our girlfriends and our wives. They're our daughters. They are our best friends. These statistics are staggering, but we have the power to change them. Every day, new research is being developed, taking us steps closer to finding a cure. But more funding is still needed to allow this continued progress to happen. And unfortunately, federal sources of cancer funding just aren't enough. We need your help. Be a part of the journey that is committed to finding a cure. Join the weekend to end breast cancer. During one amazing weekend, you will unite with thousands of women and men to walk 60 kilometers in the fight against breast cancer and other women's cancers. Go to www.endcancer.ca and register to walk. In one weekend, you will do something amazing. You'll make a change in yourself, in your community, and in the world. Remember, breast cancer is hard. Walking isn't.